Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1964 Impala SS. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. 327, 300 horse. Odometer shows 38,723 and believed to be original miles. The title does show exempt, but we do have some documentation with previous titles and history of the vehicle that show that the 38,000 very well could be original miles. It is a Southgate, California car. VIN does decode out to a true V8 SS. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle here. An Almond Fawn exterior, kind of a tan cream interior, bucket seats, console, automatic, factory AC car. Just a beautiful vehicle here. Again, if I'm going too fast with the camera, please visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have pictures of the vehicle on the website. It is outside, so you will see the trunk, interior, exterior, engine bay in much better light. But as I walk around and show this vehicle to you, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. Another 20% are luxury, European, and or exotic. If you're not in Sarasota, Florida, and you do have an interest in this 64 Impala or any other vehicle we may have in inventory, please still give us a call, as we do offer shipping. Last year we shipped to 19 different states and 8 or 9 countries around the world, so we can get this 64 Impala or your dream car to you anywhere in the world. If you have finance needs, we do offer financing through our collector car lenders. We do have several lenders that will finance classic cars, and a few lenders that will also finance the obviously late models that we have in inventory as well. If you have shipping needs, we can certainly ship, as I just mentioned, as well, and financing. So full service dealership. We do also offer full restorations, frame off, nut and bolt restorations. Not going to get into all those restorations, but if you have any needs or questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. We're back on this beautiful Almond Fawn 1964 Impala. Again, in California, documented until 2002. The floor pans, we'll raise it up in a second here. Again, look all original. The rockers are in excellent condition. Look factory. Again, just a beautiful Survivor here. Engine compartment is in excellent condition. I do know it is kind of dark to see. The pictures are online, are much better. As I mentioned, factory AC, again, a little bit difficult to see here in the video. We'll go ahead and start it up before I raise it, just so you can hear it. Just to show you, it is a cold start. Go ahead and grab the headers here. Yeah, beautiful interior. Impala floor mats, seat belts. Again, hard to see, it is dark in here. pump it as you should with a carbureted vehicle. It starts right up. They did change the exhaust, so it does come straight out the back here. Dual exhaust. Sounds nice. Again, not obnoxious, but it's got that little roar to it, little rumble sound. Again, iconic rear of the '64 Impala. Engine sounds fantastic. Rev it up a little bit. Again, it's not warm, so I don't want to go crazy. Gas light comes right down. Again, just a beautiful vehicle here. Mostly original. As I said, it does have aftermarket exhaust. You can see an upgraded radio there. I believe it has had a repaint at some point. We do not have documentation on exactly when, but it does look like it was repainted. I do apologize for the noise on the lift, but I do want to show you the bottom of this. We have not cleaned it yet. It just come in, but I want to show you the vehicle. It is absolutely fantastic. Truly a time capsule on this 1964 Impala. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website. Again, we do offer financing, shipping anywhere in the world. If you have any needs, and there are additional pictures of the vehicle on the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Leave it at that for now. Should be able to get underneath it. Alright. Just want to show you again the floor pans. Absolutely fantastic condition. Look to be all original. The rockers, again, as I mentioned, need to be cleaned here. But all the factory welds, clips, everything. Extremely original, nice vehicle. Again, as I mentioned, it does have the aftermarket exhaust comes straight out with instead of coming down. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Rack and power steering. I'll shut the lights off so you can see it from the side. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit us on our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for this beautiful 1964 Chevy Impala SS, 38,000 believed to be original miles, California vehicle, absolutely stunning, 327, 300 horse. Please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.